there, everybody. It's Megan. I do hope all of you are doing wonderful. Today is going to be a very exciting video because we're going to be finding out live together who the winner is for the Louis Vuitton 2020 limited edition mini pochettes. I did go ahead and decide to have two consolation winners, so the second prize will receive a $50 Starbucks gift card and the third prize will be a $25 Starbucks gift card. I do want to let you guys know that doing this giveaway, like past giveaways, is a little bit bittersweet for me because I do wish I could make all of you winners. I have said in past giveaway announcement videos that I do wish that I was like Oprah, because if I were, all of you would be getting a Louis Vuitton piece. But on the upside, I do anticipate to do more giveaways in the future, giving you more chances to win. I guarantee you that all of your entries were definitely accounted for. I'm a believer that everything happens for a reason and fate should definitely take its course to the right person. I do want to let you guys know that I did read each and every entry, and I must say, you did fill my heart tremendously. The gratitude shown were full of blessings that you receive that money simply cannot buy. That just goes to show that the very best things in life are the free and countless gifts that God does give us. It truly is in giving that we receive, and I definitely received a lot of love in my heart, and I want to thank you for that immensely. I now think I went over everything I need to before going into the other room. Why don't we head into the office and find out together who the winners are? Let's do this. All right, you guys, very exciting. Let's find out live together who the winners are for the first place Louis Vuitton limited edition 2020 Pochette accessoire, second place $50 Starbucks gift card, and third place $25 Starbucks gift card. I want to note that I needed to make this a very fair and just giveaway. That is what you deserve, and that is exactly what you are getting. So what I did is I went ahead and took all entries that were received within my initial giveaway announcement video you see right here, as well as all entries that were received within my last video. There was one extra way to earn a bonus entry, and that is if you were to answer a specific question that was within this video, and all of these entries were definitely accumulated and accounted for. I did say that if you had an Instagram account, to go ahead and go to the giveaway post if you knew two people that might be interested, to tag two people, and you would be given two bonus entries. You definitely were given those two bonus entries. I also said that if you were to share it within your stories, you'd be given a bonus. I also did say one final extra way would be to share on your Facebook page, screenshot that, send it over to me, and I would definitely give you those two bonus entries. So what I did is I took all of those entries, starting off with YouTube, and I copied pasted. I really don't know of another way to collaborate YouTube and Instagram besides doing it this. It's a lot of work, but I find it worth it because it's fair. So yes, I took all of the usernames, attached a number, starting with YouTube, and then I worked my way down into Instagram. And as you guys can see, there are double entries because you did tag two people. And then working our way down, we do see the Instagram stories right here, bonus entry, and then finally we do have the Facebook shares. You did receive two bonus entries. So I'm going to go ahead and go to a random number generator, which is, sorry, right here. And I do need to put in a maximum value. That maximum value does represent the total amount of entries that were received, which was, let's see, 3,395. I think we should just start off with a bang here, you guys. For the limited edition Louis Vuitton 2020 Pochette accessoire, I'll go ahead and say good luck and let fate take its course. If it doesn't happen this time, there's always next time, but let's leave it to fate. Good luck. 2,117. So we'll go back into the notepad. 2,117 is... I'm sorry. The anticipation. I'm horrible. One sec here, you guys. I'm just M1A. I'm just M1A. I'm sorry. I'm just M1NA. You are the winner for the Louis Vuitton 2000 Pochette Accessoire Limited Edition. Yay! Big congratulations. Very, very excited for you. So let's go ahead and see who the second place winner is for the $50 Starbucks gift card. I'll go back to that random number generator, and I got to remember this value, 3,395. Oh, it's already there. So I'll go ahead and click generate. I will say good luck again. Yay! Let's do this. 1,363. 1,363 is, let's see, Allison Wonderland. Allison Wonderland, you are the winner for the $50 Starbucks gift card. Big time congratulations. Okay, so I'll go ahead and work on the last for the $25 Starbucks gift card. Let's go back to the random number generator. I will click generate. Good luck to all. Here we go. 1,890. Not too far from the last. And that is, I'm going to pronounce this incorrect, I know it. Arenas 1202. You are the winner for the $25 Starbucks gift card. I do believe all of these are Instagram entries. It looks like that. I'll double check. But yes, congratulations to all winners. Very excited for all of you. Let's get back to the room. That was definitely very fun and exciting. We found out the winners for the first place Louis Vuitton 2020 limited edition mini pochette goes to an Instagram entry, and her name is I am just M1NA. Big congratulations. I will be reaching out to you, sending you a message on Instagram. I am very excited for you. I quickly went over that tape to make sure I did have the correct winners as far as YouTube and Instagram, and it turns out the second place winner is a YouTube entry. And the winner for that is Allison Wonderland. Big time congratulations, Allison. I'm very happy for you. And finally, the third place winner for the Starbucks $25 gift card does go to an Instagram entry that I know I'm going to pronounce wrong. Arenas 1202. I will be messaging you on Instagram. Big time congratulations. I am happy for everybody that won. So yay, and another big time congratulations to all winners. And for all of you guys that did not win, I thank you for your participation, and in the future I will definitely have more giveaways for more chances to win. I do usually end my videos with spiritual inspiration. Because this is a giveaway announcement video, I'm going to say just a few words, but hopefully they will be words that resonate. This whole giveaway was about gratitude, and like all my other giveaways, I always ask you guys the question, what are you grateful for? Like I said, each and every one of you mentioned something that was not materialistic, and I just love how that goes to show that the very best things in life are the free and countless gifts that God does give us. Gratitude is truly the key that unlocks the gates of heaven. It is something that we can tap into at any moment to make our spirit feel better. Within the spiritual realm, as well as psychology studies, it has been proven that gratitude is an instant spirit lifter. We all deserve to be living the very best lives possible, and I am confident that God agrees with that. So by focusing on gratitude, by focusing on the wonderful free and countless gifts that God does give us, that will definitely help us achieve that. Focus on the blessings that you do have within your life, and you will definitely feel happier. So that is going to be it for this Louis Vuitton giveaway announcement video. Another big, huge congratulations to all winners. I'm very, very happy for you. And for all of you that did not win, please remember, there's always another chance. I definitely enjoy doing giveaways on my channel. I thank you guys for your participation. I thank you for watching this video. Until my next, which I'm very, very excited about, you guys take care, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.